So this is a part kit I'm gonna install, the 600 490 by Dorman. It's 4-wheel drive actuator and wiring harness upgrade kit. It's with the electric rather than the thermal actuator. Just some wiring, instructions, and this is the little plunger piece that you put on the end, from my understanding, because the new one is not long enough. Just jacked it up to get it easier too, but this is the actuator here. Set up. So just gotta get a crescent wrench and get that out. Looks like it's a little worn there. I think this is the plug that I have to, yep, that's the plug. So I'm gonna get this connected and start taking this out. Okay, so just gotta slide this off here. Get that out. Okay. And just pop this guy off. Alright, so that is the connector, the actuator. About 14 quarter turns later. Oh. When is that coming out? Gotta get this guy out. Alright, well, easy as that. So I just cleaned out the outside edge there a little bit. So because the new actuator is a little bit shorter than the existing, the original, you gotta put this spacer in there. So my understanding is you just slide that in there and then slide that in there and then through. Oh, I put some Teflon tape on this too. And then you just thread. Oh, it's nice. You just thread that bad boy in there. So I'll get going with this. See how it goes. Okay, now I got that just over hand tight. Now I gotta figure out how to run the wire kit that came with it. So we'll do that next. I got the connector put back in its place. And then I just threw a zip tie on the original wire. Looks to me like the wires come through here, go up through that, but there's no room. So I'm gonna fish it over the transmission right here. And that brings me up over here, so you can see, maybe. So I'm feeding it up here. I'm gonna come up from over top of the transmission case here. Yeah, you can kind of see, got it coming up through here. I'll just feed it up, and then I'll tie it off where I can here. So I'll get that tied up here in a bit. I got the cord routed up over the transmission. Zip ties back. Transfer case. So you can see this is the plug you gotta tie into. There's three wires there. There's a brown, a blue, and a gray. And just tie into the brown. And that gives you your power. And then should be good to go. So pretty simple setup here. Easy.